I bet you can't believe this. Look what I've got. That is great, isn't it, folks? It's got measurements on it. It's got inches, centimeters. You've got your sizes. It's even got your cups and grams down the bottom here. I'm really liking this. Now, if you haven't got one of these, folks, well, I'm telling you now, you ought to get one. But there is a bit of a downside to this, and I will go into it straight away from the beginning. This is the instructions, and fully in the instructions, it quite clearly says, one important thing you can't do on this is use a knife, because it will damage the material, because this is a silicone product. Now, in the box, you get your instructions, you get a thank you, you get a hair clip. Well, I'm practically bald, so that ain't a lot of good. That's for you ladies or blokes with serious long hair, unless you think of anything else you can do with that. And they supply this. Now that's ideal, because that's not going to damage silicone, because it's actually plastic scraper, which is great. And you know what us blokes are like, probably killed us in no time at all. First and foremost, when you buy it, you need to wash the surface straight away. And also when you put it down, is to make sure the underneath of the surface is clean. And that then will automatically stick to this then, like that. Look, it just flows out. So what type of things can you use this for? Pastries, bread making, and all sorts of things. The product is easy to clean, it's flexible and foldable, it's tear resistable, and it's non-slip. Ideal for a pastry rolling mat, a countertop mat. If you buy the smaller versions, you can have them as table mats. And of course, arts and craft. But be careful, no knives are one thing the claimers make. It's non-stick and great for sticky materials. I'm going to be interested to give this a good trial out and see exactly if it does what it says on the tin. Product is from Super Kitchen, and it's called Silicone Baking Pastry Mat. Now, I dare to say I haven't bought this in any Amazon sales or anything. I just bought it because I wanted it, because I just want something to put down on this service. And I noticed a lot of people got these, and I thought, oh, well, I'll go for it. This has cost me 26 quid. And now I will tell you straight away, for 26 quid, I don't feel as though I've been robbed, because also this can go on top of my stainless steel table and I don't get camera reflection. Because as soon as I take this off of here, I get light reflection off the board here, and on my other camera I get reflection, and this just works nice to cut out all that. So there you go, folks. If you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share, and we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!